Welcome back into the Storm Team 3 Weather Lab. Hopefully everyone had a nice day. We are going to be tracking a few light showers early this evening, but skies will quickly clear as the evening wears on. Back to full sunshine for the rest of the week. It's going to be cooler. It's going to be more comfortable out there, and some changes into the weekend, more so early and middle parts of next week. So we'll take a look at that extended outlook in just a second. First off, we do have a drone shot for you today. Mostly cloudy, warm, breezy conditions across the area. We did see those highs pushing their way into the upper 70s, and some spots did sneak into the lower 80s this afternoon. But again, clouds pretty much dominating. Did see a few intervals of sunshine, but again, we are going to be seeing a whole lot more sunshine as we head into the day tomorrow and really for the rest of the week. So let's get a check of that upper level pattern and our current weather makers. This upper level low here, so that's going to be responsible for a few light showers we'll see out there this evening. But behind the feature, again, cooler and much more comfortable conditions filtering in, and as mentioned, a whole lot of sunshine as well. You can see the frontal boundary currently kind of a thin line of some very light showers pushing through at KATC. We'll get to the Doppler in just a second, but really the bulk of the activity, heavier of the showers and storms is setting up a little bit further off to the north and east. So as we do dial it in to Bauer Doppler 3, again, a few of those light showers, thin line of showers pushing through Lafayette, Upper St. Martin Parish, and then down into the to the south over towards Vermilion Parish as we speak. Again, mostly just light activity, maybe some pockets of moderate rainfall as we get into the southern extent of Lafayette Parish, just crossing Johnston Street, heading for Youngsville, Broussard as we speak, and crossing that Highway 90 corridor. So we'll maintain at least some rain chances, especially for our southeastern parishes here over the next several minutes as this very thin line of showers continues to work through. Not much consequence. Most of us, again, not seeing a whole lot of rainfall, and skies will actually clear prior to midnight tonight. It's going to be turning cooler, breezy as well. Most of us upper 40s to low to mid 50s for the start tomorrow morning, so maybe a light jacket, and then lots of sunshine for our Wednesday. Probably a good day to take to lunch outdoors for sure. Mid 70s into the afternoon, but those dew points will be dropping into the 40s. That's important for our relative humidity, dropping in to around 34%. So that's going to give the air a much more comfortable feel to it for sure. West northwesterly winds coming in 15 to 20. Gusts at times will be even a little bit higher than that. Graph model probably too aggressive as we head into Thursday morning, but most of us will be in the 40s. So a chilly start there, and then wall-to-wall sunshine into our Thursday afternoon. It's going to be another beautiful day with those high temperatures pushing mid to upper 70s. We're in the upper 70s for Friday, and then heading into the weekend, we'll start to introduce some more cloud cover Saturday, Sunday. Right now, those should stay dry through the course of the weekend, and then the pattern looking to turn more unsettled with the return of scattered storm chances as we head into the early and middle parts of next week. Could have an impact, unfortunately, for the solar eclipse, but we'll keep our fingers crossed on that. Temperatures tonight, again, we will see those readings falling later on tonight into the upper 40s to low to mid 50s. So we'll call it a coolish start to our Wednesday. Lots of sunshine into the afternoon as most of our locations easily push into the mid 70s. As mentioned, we're breezy out there tomorrow. Only difference, those winds will be out of the northwest, so giving the air a comfortable feel to it. But again, those winds coming in 15 to 20 gusts at times tomorrow. Could even be about 40% higher than that. So still tracking a few light showers over the next couple of hours, but those will quickly kick out of here. Skies clear prior to midnight, turning cooler, breezy out there. 52 your projected low, at least here in Lafayette. Best chance to see the upper 40s tonight will be our extreme northern parishes. 76 tomorrow afternoon. Beautiful day of weather, lots of sunshine out there, breezy conditions, and we're going to call it simply perfect weather for the rest of the week. Plenty of sunshine through Friday. Clouds back Saturday, Sunday, but relatively dry again through the course of the weekend. That changes as we head into the early middle parts of next week. More of an active, unsettled weather pattern with the return of some scattered showers and storms. That's a look at weather for now, but stay with us. We're going to have more for you coming up after the break.